friends, my name is Arin Zebra and today I will show my toys collection. Friends, it is not possible to show all of the toys because if I show all of the toys in one day, my mother will be beating me. So friends, let's start. See friends, this is one remote controlled red car. It can be robot and it can be go back and front. It has now not have full charge, so and it can work automatic. In remote there is a button. When we will press the button, it will work automatic. Friends, it has not charged now, and then I will show you. This is one set of word maker. This is word maker. I will show afterwards how to play all of these toys. Okay, friends. And this is word maker, and this cost. Yes, yes, it cost 250. And this is one business. See, friends, one board game, and this is one experiment set. It contains 70 experiments. See, friends. This is the manual, friends, and these are the things that you will get inside. And this is one volcano mount, and this is a manual book. And I have not opened the word maker and business. I am opening. See, friends, this is one board, and then this is the manual. In the manual, it is written. See, friends, this is the board and this is the manual. And these are the letters how to play game. In the manual, all of this written how to play. And this is word makers, and business one is like this. This one also board game. Here is the monies I am opening. Here is the monies. Here is the monies. It is not real, friends. It is made of paper. And tokens and all of these. Sorry. This is doctor set. One Daijin. And then I have one bow and arrow. See, friends, this is one bow and arrow. I am shooting this. Afterwards, okay. This, like this, we will hold this and okay. And this is one target given. You can practice target and go to the pro level game. And this is one train. Here is the tracks. And this is the train. I'm seeing how it works. First we have to attach the bogies. Friends, like this, there is a hook. Here is this like type of this, then this, and then this. I am not setting the track because it times so. Hold it down. One hold me. Okay, friends. And here is the battery. This is the train set. I have seen it. And this is one Nerf gun. It has holder, and this is one bullet fire gun. Huh? Where is the another bullet? It is there, but I am not finding it now. This one is this. It range too far. Too far. See friends, I will not shoot now because and this is one clay. Yes, I am opening the clay. Oh, falling down. It contains 4 molds, and this is the clay on this and this type of clay. Okay. And then this is slime. See friends, sticky, gummy slime. All other friends like slime. Friends, this is chess. Showing friends, this is a board of chess, and this is the Pokemon circle. And yes, this is one dinosaur set. It has 2 eggs and two eggs and 2 babies, small babies. I am showing the babies. Yes, friends, 2 small babies. And one cricket. I have one cricket set, wickets, belt, yes, and I have one collection of balls, one packet, and I have one mechanic set. The packet of mechanic has lost, so that's why I have to keep this in the packet. Oh no, my mother! See friends, these are the balls. See friends, this is big jumping ball. This type of these 2 types, and this is my favorite ball. See friends, croquet ball. Okay friends, I will move later. And friends, we have finished shown all the toys. So friend, if you like the video, please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.